Good afternoon. Today's date is January 7th, 2019. For today's video source inspection, we will be filming a fully refurbished 870S model spin rinser dryer. Due to confidentiality reasons, I will not be sharing my customer's identity with you today. However, I will share their general location as well as their internal purchase order number so they can identify this tool. The customer is located in Colorado Springs and the PO number is 23006495. We're going to be running customer's recipe today. Their recipe is a 30-second rinse at 600 RPM, a 10-second purge at 1800 RPM, a 60-second dry 1 at 1800 RPM, as well as a 120-second dry 2 at 600 RPMs. Before we begin, let's show you what we're working with today. We have about 23 wafers. I see 2 slots open here in the top. We have nitrogen purging into the bowl. We're ready to begin up top. Now if we go into the lower assembly, another 6-inch rotor and cassette. Looks like we have 24 wafers. We have nitrogen purging into the bowl. Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to run a full recipe. I'm going to discuss our refurbishment process that every tool goes through here at SciTech, as well as our spare parts and service offerings, and what we can offer in regard to other wafer fab equipment. I'm going to try to hit start at the same time, so we're right on schedule here. Let's begin. Okay, and we are in rinse. 25 seconds to go. Every SRD that is sent into SciTech goes through the same extensive refurbishment process. First, we take a tool down and break it down to the component level. Once broken down, we chemically clean and electropolish all metal parts, as well as individually test every component for function. 5 seconds before we ramp up for our purge. Once all parts are prepped, we begin building head assemblies back up from the ground level. Once we have completely finished building the head assemblies back up, this is where we put the tool in our dry quality control. This is where we test SRDs for function without installing facilities. Okay, we are in our dry 1, running nice and smooth, 1800 RPMs. That means our motor and controller are working together. We are calibrated. Once the tool passes dry quality control, it's moved into our wet quality control. In this check, this is where we test the SRDs with facilities installed. Just under 30 seconds left in dry 1, then we'll move into our dry 2. Once the tool passes wet quality control, that's when we place it into the final configuration, which you see before you today. This customer sent a tool in the double stack configuration. Not all SRDs that are refurbished by SciTech are sent in this configuration. We often have bare head assemblies sent in, or somebody will send in a 400 series tool, which is a single head on a cart. Okay, ramping down, we'll be going down to 600 RPMs as we are in dry 2. This is just under 2 minutes. The last step of our process here, after this video source inspection is complete, we'll run 50 plus various recipes so the tool is ready for plug and play installation into our customer's fab. Now I'm going to talk to you about spare parts and service. If you need any spare parts for your semi-tool or Vertex spin rinser dryers, please visit our catalog. Our website is www.scitechprocess.com. If you're not sure what you need, give us a call. Our number is 916-797-9000, and our salespeople will be able to assist you with getting the right parts. We provide 100% spare parts and service support for the semi-tool spin rinser dryer. Parts we support include windows, door seals, solenoid valves, ACR valves, pressure switches, tack sensors. Then parts that we also repair, in addition to supplying, include rotor rebalances for the rotors, LC4s, LC5s, controllers, and motors. Just under 50 seconds left. We offer 100% of the parts. We can help you get what you need. Please give us a call at 916-797-9000. Equipment that we supply in addition to fully manufactured spin rinser dryers at SciTech includes box washers such as the HTC 8010, 8020, and 8030, mask cleaners including K&S and Ultra T models, metrology tools including profilometers, ellipsometers, resistivity, and more, barrel ashers and etchers, as well as a wide variety of microscopes. As you can see, SciTech is your one-stop shop for front-end fab equipment. We have just under 10 seconds left. When the clock strikes 0, it is not safe to open the door yet. We need to wait for the rotor stop positioner to fire us into the upright 12 o'clock position. I will hear the air release. You may not. Okay, RSP fired up top. We need to wait for the door seal to release air as well. Okay, door is released. We have warm N2 purging into the bowl. This is what we want. We also have residual droplets of water. You do not want to have a bone dry bowl at the end of your cycle, as if you are heating too long, you're more prone to higher particle counts if your bowl is bone dry. Our wafers are completely dry. This was a successful run in the top chamber. Down below, let's go to the bottom head. Warm N2 purging into the bowl. Residual droplets of water. Completely dry wafers. This was a successful process run for this 870S model spin rinser dryer. Our customers can be very happy to install this back in our fab, their fab. The customer plans to send SciTech another double stack for refurbishment once they receive this one. If you need a refurbishment, any spare parts or service, or other fab equipment, give us a call. Our phone number is 916-797-9000. If you want to look at your options that SciTech can help you with, please see our catalog at www.scitechprocess.com. You can see all our parts and equipment offerings there. If you know what you need, you could either place an RFQ through our website or send us an email. Our email address is sales@scitechprocess.com. We thank you for watching today's video source inspection. We'll see you next time.